また別にファイナルストップを。
After returning home temporarily in Japan, I started living in the countryside again in Australia. We had a home party with my friends, and there were lots of meals which was so delicious. We got an apple. Guys, we got something on Black Friday. What is that?
PS5.
I'm so jealous. I was supposed to buy like iPad, but my friends told me like last year was 50% off. So this year it is like 20% off. So like I thought it's not the time to buy.
This is like a Fortnite collaboration.
Yeah?
I'm not sure.
Yeah?
I don't play Fortnite.
Yeah?
But this is the cheapest and yeah.
Nice. I'm worried if you focus on just playing game and you don't do anything. Like,
No, I'm gonna study.
yeah?
Ooh.
And you do like home job, homework.
I haven't gotten a monitor yet,
Yeah.
so I cannot play right now.
Yeah, maybe you can do it in a week, right?
Yeah. Like this Friday or 2 days later.
They imitate it. Hey guys, I just got back home and I'm just chilling at my bed. It was beautiful outside and blue skies. I went to the Thai restaurant with my friend. She worked at the same factory that I work. She have a lot of knowledge, like she have a skill, like language, like she speaks Chinese and English. She made me feel like so get a lot of motivated. That was so good. And the Thai food restaurant that I visit today with so many foods there, and like it's like a Asian restaurant, so they have like Chinese food and Thai food, Vietnam food, Korean food, and some of you know I'm so obsessed with Korean food, especially like fried chicken. Anyway, yeah, we got some fried chicken, tom yum goong. I am not a big fan of that, but my friends said like it's very good, so I tried. Maybe I'm growing up, when I tried, it was very good. It was a beautiful day, and I'm gonna eat it right now. Nothing here. Nothing here. My roommate left the car key inside and closed the door by accident. We went to eat Thai food for 2 days in a row until the dealer came. Thank you. Thank you.
レスさんは今日食べた。
レストランじゃない。わかんないこれ。でもグリーンカレー大好き。どんなお味よそちら。
ちょっと香辛料強め。
Thank you. He ordered something like beef fried something, and he doesn't say anything. You can feel it, right? He just said like interesting. I don't feel it's good.
美味しいよ。すごく美味しい。
Can I try? めっちゃ美味しい。なんか焼肉。すんごい焼肉の味する。
甘くうまっ。
You guys have a good time, and me too. I'm gonna cook, I'm gonna clean, and I'm gonna watch YouTube video, drama, Japanese drama. I have one Japanese drama which I'm very interested. Normally I'm not going to like drama, watching drama, but I have a favorite YouTuber and they recommend it, so like I'm gonna watch it. Bye bye. I saw one of the roommates sleeping on the couch. I can feel Saturday vibe from him. I found the cake mix in supermarket that I cook red velvet. When I was living in Canada, I ate it for the first time and it became my favorite cake, but I don't see it often in Japan, so I don't have much to eat. I finally found it in Australia and bought it right away. Actually, it was not the taste that I expected, but still, it's good.